Changing your mind isn't just a rational choice, it's a small revolution inside your brain. Every time we learn something new or shift a belief, the brain reorganizes its internal networks. This process is called neuroplasticity, and it's the foundation of learning. Neuroplasticity is like a living city. Neurons are the buildings, and synapses are the roads that connect them. When we repeat an idea or learn something new, some roads expand and others fade. The mind adapts to what we experience, feel, and think. Neurons, those tiny electrical messengers, communicate through impulses and chemical signals. One of the most important is dopamine. Every time we feel curiosity or pleasure when discovering something, dopamine reinforces those neural connections. It tells the brain, this is worth remembering. In that process, synapses change their strength. Connections we use often are reinforced. Those we neglect, weaken. It's as if the brain keeps only the most efficient routes for survival and learning. Then, memory steps in. Learning isn't just adding new information. It's integrating it with what we already know. Imagine discovering that a myth about the brain is false. You don't erase the old idea, you update it with a better one. This leads to cognitive change. When something contradicts our beliefs, the brain may resist. That mental discomfort is known as cognitive dissonance. The moment we choose whether to defend our old idea or allow a new one to take its place. Here, emotions play a decisive role. When something scares or challenges us, our brain may close itself off from learning. But when we feel curiosity and confidence, our neural networks open. Learning requires balance between emotion and reason. Through conscious reflection or metacognition, we observe how we think and what makes us change our minds. This ability is one of humanity's greatest strengths, learning not only from experience but from the very act of learning. Finally, experience consolidates what we've learned. As we practice or apply new knowledge, neural pathways stabilize. What once took effort becomes intuition. And once that knowledge settles, the cycle begins again. Unlearn, relearn, and evolve. Because changing your mind isn't weakness, it's brain evolution. And if you want to go deeper into how this process works, you'll find an expanded article linked in the description below.